Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to adjust line spacing in Canva. So for us to be able to go ahead and try this one out, let's add in a text first here onto our editing page. To do so, you could see the text option here onto the left side. Just go ahead and click onto that. And then right after, you could choose the default text style, which is a heading, a subheading, or a little bit of body text. So let's try out this one, the heading, and then let's type in different characters in here. So we have this one. Let's add this onto the center. And for us to be able to go ahead and try to adjust the line spacing in here, if you click onto the text in here, you should be able to find in the different settings available for you onto the upper part corner of the screen. We could change the font in here, its size, its color, and many more. So for us to be able to change or adjust the line spacing, this is the icon for that. If you click onto that one, there are two options wherein you could go ahead and adjust the letter spacing and the line spacing. So what you need to do, you'll just need to go ahead and drag this just like that. And as you can see, it has lessened the letter spacing. The same thing that you could do for line spacing, you could make this one smaller and then bigger if you go ahead and drag this to right. You could adjust this one as per your liking, and that is just basically it, how you adjust a line spacing in Canva. If you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.